Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Preeti and I'm back with another eye makeup tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to achieve this colorful eye makeup. I'm going to start by applying brown eyeshadow as a transition shade. Next, I'm going to apply orange eyeshadow on the outer corner of my eyes. After that, I'm going to apply yellow eyeshadow and I'm going to blend it nicely. And for the inner corner, I'm going to apply white eyeshadow. I'm going to highlight my brow bone. Then I'll apply kajal on my lower lash line and I'm going to smudge it. Next, I'm going to apply eyeliner. So this will be our final look. You can keep this as a matte look or you can apply glitter. I hope you guys like this eye makeup. This is a easy and simple eye look with minimal steps. You can easily recreate this eye look even if you are a beginner. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.